Okay, we'll continue the chapter convolutional course now. Last class we have discussed few examples and today we continue our discussion. Note down this example for the convolutional encoder shown in figure 2. I dictate for the convolutional encoder shown in figure 2, find the impulse response for the convolutional encoder shown in figure 2. Find the impulse response and hence calculate the output. Find the impulse response and hence calculate the output produced by the information sequence 10111. Write the generator polynomial of the encoder. And recompute the output. Write the generator polynomial of the encoder and recompute the output for the input of first and compare with that of first. The answer what you got for the first and second you have to compare. Write the generator polynomial of the encoder and recompute the output for the input of 1, that is nothing but 10111, and compare with that of 1. Note on the diagram, take another 20 seconds. For the convolutional encoder shown in figure 2, find the impulse response and hence calculate the output produced by the information sequence 10311. Write the generator polynomial of an encoder and recompute the output for the input of 1 and compare with that of 1. The result what you get. Let us go to the next slide. Can you type what is the G1 and G2? Before I go to the next slide, hope all of you can type G1 equal to, G2 equal to by seeing the diagram or figure given in the slide. Can you type G1 equal to, G2 equal to? Karthik Gangir has typed. Thank you, Karthik. Vidya, Shivani, Rohan, Nivedita, Pragati, Karthik, Vidya, Shivani, Bharat, they are typing G1 once and G2. Together, I think Janvi has typed, Chaitra, okay. 1101 all 1. It is correct. So, Asini, Ajna, Ritika, Devraj, Rohit, Bharat, Jaysurya, Sumit, Charan, all have typed same answer, Ajna. Yeah, I am also showing the same thing. G1 equal to and G2 equal to Siddharth, Vinay, Giriam never has typed. The parameters of the encoder are L equal to 5, N equal to 2, K equal to 1 and M equal to 4. Shahasan has got same, Shilpa, Abhiruk, Joshi, all of them they have typed very good. Spurti has typed now. Please write down the first row of the G matrix. First row of the G matrix, write down all of you. All of you know how to write down the first row of a G matrix. Whether G1, G2 are correct or not, check it. I might have typed wrong. Check it, G1 and G2. Don't go with the G1, G2 what I have written. Go with the diagram and go with the M. Retype the G1 and G2. M equal to given is 4. Intentionally I have changed the color of that. I expected G1, G2, you people will write the same thing. That's why I typed G1 equal to G2 equal to, and all of you agreed. But M equal to 4. When M equal to 4, refer the previous example. M equal to 2 you have taken. And G1, G2 number of bits were 3. Now M equal to 4. G1, G2 bits should be how many? Refer the previous example. I want you people to retype a G1 and G2, any one of you. Think on that. I typed intentionally G1, G2 like this. And I have highlighted M equal to 4. Write down a G1, G2 once again. You can go to the previous examples, what you have discussed. Refer that. There, the M equal to was 2. Observe here carefully. What you have taken, M is 2. And number of bits in the G is what? 3. M is 2. Now, in this case, what we are discussing now, he has given M equal to 4. When M equal to 4, number of bits should be how many? And what should be G1 and G2? See the diagram once again. Observe here carefully. M1, M2, M3, M4 is telling M equal to 4, means there is no connection to the input. There is no connection to the input. All these M1, M2, M3 is telling is a memory only. There is no connection to the input. Hence, it should be treated as a 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. That should be the G1 and that should be the G2. Now from that G1 and G2, write down the first row of your G matrix. Observe carefully and write down. This beginning 0, here also one more 0, because M equal to 4, total bits in the G should be 5. There is no connection to the input. Sometimes they see this as the input only, but here he has mentioned M equal to 4. If you would have mentioned M equal to 3, you would have taken this as the input only 3 memories. Now he has intentionally is telling M is 4, memories are 4, means input is different, so there is no connection, hence I have to take 0. Here also 0, 0, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Using that G1 and G2, I want you people to write on the first row of a generator matrix. Even if you type fast, may be wrong also. Last class I discussed how to write. Or whatever is there G1 and G2, for this only you write on the first row of the G. Do it fast. Take a minute. Type it now. Okay, thank you. Chaitra Kulkarni, Praveen, Gaura Haveri, and Karthik Gangir. I think all answers are same, I think. Almost, yeah. Everybody is typing, I think here a little bit different. Preeti and Vidya answers are different. Please cross verify. What you have to take first bit of this, first bit of this. Beginning 0, 0 is perfect. Second 1, 1. Next 1, 1. Next 1, 0. Next 1, 1. That's all. Then followed by zeros. Yeah. Many are typing now correct answer. Good. Adnya, Vinay Giriamineva, Sai Manthan is typing. Sumit Desai and Shilpa Sambrani, Spurti. All are typing. Yeah, it's correct. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. I want you people to write the matrix in your notebook. Take another 1 minute. Simply shift it and or rotate and write down how many bits you have to rotate. 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit. Just do it and rewrite the second row, third row, fourth row, so that you will get a G matrix. And number of rows, number of columns, how many it should be? It is given in the slide only. Number of rows and number of columns. What should be the matrix size? Anyone if you can type the answer in the chat box. Row cross matrix you can type. Mallikarjun Patil, Devraj Yaminur, Geeta, Siddharth, Shripad, Rohit, and now Chaitra is typing 5 cross 18. Devidas, Pragati, Shripad, Vidya, Karthik, Simran, Sharon, Sumit, Preeti, Saushanya, Geeta, Aditya, Hiremat, all are typing 5 cross 18. Yeah, it's correct. And Gaura, Haveri, Shivani, Abhishek, Vinay, Monica, all are typing 5 cross 18. Hope all of you are completed writing the matrix. So those who are not yet completed, they can compare. Shahasan, Varsha, Rohan, Nutan, Abhirup Joshi has typed 5 cross 18. Just compare your answer with this. Then to get a code word, you have to do C equal to D into G. D is given as a 10111. Simply multiply 10111 with the given G matrix and find out the C equal to. And you can write a C equal to in the chat box so that others can compare their answer with your answer, and I will show my answer also. I take a minute and try to type the C equal to. All of you know how to multiply. One into 0, 0 into 0, 1 into 0. Beginning you will get 0, 0 only, because when you multiply 0 with something you will get 0. Beginning 2 bits you will get 0, 0, then followed by. Yeah, Shivani Edhalya has typed the answer. Yeah, majority are getting the same answer. And Gaura Haveri has typed the answer. Aditya, Hiremat, Sumit Desai, Vinay Giryaminavar, all are typing the answers. Adnya Nayak got same answer. Praveen, Shilpa, Abhishek Kulkarni, Charan, Priya Patil, Chaitra Kulkarni, Simran Vernikar, Parameshwar Hegde has typed the answer. Geeta Gali. Let me show my answer also so that you people can compare. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Nivedita Devidas Nayak, Preeti Manakatti Mat, Rohit Savalagi has typed the answer. And let me wait for a few seconds. Those who are not yet completed, they can take another 15 minutes, 15 seconds and let them complete. Rohit, Tajuddin, Bharat Kulkarni has completed. He got the same answer. Vijay Lakshmi has got the same answer. Suhasini Mishri Koti got the same answer. Wait for another 5-10 seconds. So let me go to the next. Karthik Gangir got same answer. Check, I think Devraj and Karthik answers. Is it same or not? Please check it. I think different. Devraj answer is different. Karthik Gangir answer is different. Please compare. Karthik, you please check it. Ritika has typed. Let me go to the next slide, hoping most of you have completed. C equal to. Now write down using a polynomial. The message polynomial is given by d of x equal to. Write down. The corresponding generated polynomial for two adders are given by, in the polynomial form you have to write down. Then c1 of x equal to d of x into g1 of x. Just multiply. Write down in terms of zeros and ones, or polynomial you write down. Take a 2 minutes. Complete this. I'll show you the answers. So d of x equal to given. One plus x square plus x cube plus x4, and g1 of x equal to x plus x square plus x cube plus x4, g2 of x equal to x plus x square plus x4 for the another adder. Now I have to multiply d of x into g of x. So write down d of x 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x4 into g1 of x plus x square plus x cube plus x4. We are supposed to multiply these two. Let me wait for 1 minute. Write down the polynomial. Okay. Chaitra Kulkarni has typed C1 equal to in terms of zeros and ones. Thank you. Gaura Haveri has typed, but answers are different. C1, C2. Pragati has typed. Gaura has typed for C1. Okay, thank you. And just compare with others. And Simran is getting 011, 01101. Okay, Jahnavi has typed. Adnya. Aditya Hiremat, Abhishek Kulkarni, 011011101. I think majority are reading same answer. Sai Manthan, Abhishek, Sumit Desai, Nayak, Shivani, Kulkarni, Preeti, Geeta Gali, Charan, Shripad, Nuthan, Vidya. Majority are reading same answer. In the polynomial form I am giving you. X square, the same thing students have written in the zeros and one form, which is easy to write. Abhirup Joshi, Nivedita, Gaura Haveri C2, she has typed. Adnya, Preeti Manakathimat, Siddharth, Shivani, Sumit Desai has typed the answer. C1, let me go to the C2. C2 you have to multiply d of x into g2 of x. And Charan has typed C2. Rohit Savalgi is typing C1. Ritika has given a C2. And Simran has given a C2. 011110011. Prajakta has typed C1 011011101. Tajuddin C2 is typing 011110011. I think even Ritika also got the same answer. Tajuddin got the same answer. Let me show you the answer. X plus x square plus x cube plus x4 plus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 8 I got. 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. Yeah, it is correct. Abhishek Kulkarni, Preeti, Vidya, Shilpa Samrani has got C2. Now once if you got C1 and C2, all of you know what to do. Next you have to go for C. Vijay Lakshmi got 0, 4 ones, 0, 0, 1, 1. I think Shilpa answer is 0, 1, 1 she has typed. I don't know. You can recheck Shilpa Samrani and cross verify your answer. Bharat Kulkarni 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Correct. Priya. Shilpa is telling yes sir while typing 1 is missed. Siddharth Lekhi has got a 0, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, correct. Now the next step is what? We have to compute C of x equal to. All of you know how to do it. C1 of x square, x into C2 of x square. Wherever x is there, I have to write down x square and simplify. Then you can write the output of the encoder equal to. Mallikarjun Patil has typed Rohit Savalgi, Devraj Yamunur. Jamkandi is not typing, but she had accepted the invitation. Rohit Savalgi, okay, has typed the answer. I think Tejasvi name is not coming. Some names are not coming. So do it. Even if you are lagging also, you can type your answer late, no problem. Sripad has written a C equal to. Very good, Sripad. We'll check it, others answer, and then we'll cross verify. I will show my answer also. Sripad got 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, again 4, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Yeah. Shivani got the answer, I think 1, 1, 1, 1, almost 0, 0. Yeah. Shivani, Sripad answer is, I think, same. No, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is same. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Sripad and Shivani, Edali has typed the answer. Let me wait for another 20 seconds, 30 seconds so that others will also type the answer. Aditya Hirimet answer is okay. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I think Aditya Hirimet answer is different. Gaura Haveri has typed the answer. Chaitra Kulkarni answer. I think a little bit answers are, no, some students they are giving a space in between, some students are not giving, hence it is difficult to compare suddenly, but Chaitra and Devidas answer is same. Because they are not giving any space, it is easy to compare. Let me show you my answer also after a few seconds. I am waiting for you people. Devidas Naik, Chaitra, Sumit, Charan, Nivedita, Adnya, Vinay, Giriam Never, all are typing their answers. Let me show my answer also. Monica has typed Abhirup, Shivani, Suhasini Mishri Koti, Ritika, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. I think Simran got same answer. And Jahnavi, Siddharth Lekhi, Karthik Gangir is typing the answer. Hope most of the students are getting the same answer. Geeta Gali, Preeti Mankathimat, Devraj Yamunur, Bharat Kulkarni has typed the answer. So my answer and most of the students' answer are same. Vijay Lakshmi, Priya Patil, Prajakta has typed the answer. Thank you all of you for responding. And answer is almost same. And Jay Surya, Spurti, Chandrakala, Kalimani. Yesterday she logged out late. Anyway, Shilpa Samrani. I was asking Chandrakala, I called twice, thrice, but I think she was about to log out. Shilpa Samrani, Saujanya, and Vidya, most of them they are getting the same answer. Hope all of you understood. Just revise, and answer is same as in the case of 1. You can refer the previous what you have found using the G. This, in both the cases the answer is same. So just to revise what you have taken, take a few seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. If you understood, you can relax. You can close your eyes for a few seconds so that you can give rest to your eyes. And recall what all we have discussed so far. So revise a few seconds you can take before you go to the next example. Another few example, 2-3 example we will discuss, but we will go fast because anyway procedure will remain same, and we have already spent a lot of time to discuss basic things, and let us go to the next example. It will take less time to cover that. For the 3-to-1 encoder shown in the figure 3, find the code word C. Let me dictate so that some students may copy down. For the 3-to-1 encoder, shown in figure, find the code word C for the input sequences of D1 equal to 101 and D2 equal to 110, D1 equal to 101 and D2 equal to 101, using time domain approach. Find a code word C for input sequence of D1 equal to 101 and D2 equal to 110 using time domain approach and transform domain approach by constructing transfer function matrix. The same figure is shown in the next slide. If it is not visible, first copy down the text, another 5-10 seconds, then I will show you the figure in the next slide. Now also it is visible, but with the bigger size I will show you in the next slide. Another few seconds I will wait. You people copy down the text. Let me go to the next slide. This is a encoder. Take a minute, copy down it. Most of the time k will be equal to 1, but in this case we have taken k equal to 2. But only one flip-flop we are using, but most of the examples usually k equal to 1 we consider and we discuss, but it is a k equal to 2. How to do it? Connections you copy down properly. While copying also, if you do a small mistake, everything will go wrong. Output will become different and you lose your marks in the annual exam also. Even in the exam, if they have given the encoder diagram, copy down properly. So let me wait for another 10 to 15 seconds, hoping all of you will copy this encoder diagram. And this encoder diagram, we use it again and again. Even if you miss also any one connection, you can copy down again in the next slides. Let me go to the next slide. Solution. Diagram is in your notebook already. No need to copy it. If you are not copied completely, now you can do it. The encoder shown in the figure consists of 2 m equal to 1 stage shift resistor with n equal to 3 modulo 2 adders and 2 commutators, something but switches, one at the input, another at the output, and k equal to 2. Now you have to write the G matrix. How to write the G matrix, I will tell you. I'll give another 10 to 15 seconds. Then I'll show you how to go for the G matrix. So, considering the first bit of this D1, observe this, see here, carefully. Where all it is connected, this particular point where it is connected. Based on that, you have to write, if it is connected, 1, if it is not connected, 0. Can you tell the 3 bits? What is the combination? If it is connected to the first modulator, mod 2 adder, 1, otherwise 0. Similarly for second and third mod 2 adder. Okay, thank you, Chaitra. Right or wrong, we'll say it, but I appreciate your answer. If it is connected, it is 1. For the first one, it's correct, Chaitra. I want 3 bits from you, whether it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, something like that. Considering only first bit. Only this red dot, if it is connected to first one, it's 1, second also 1, third connected 1, no connection 0. The way how you have done previously. Okay, otherwise now observe carefully. After observing, I am sure some of the students will type where all it is connected, this bit. You people can write the answer. If there is a connection, 1, no connection, 0. Nayak has typed Vidya, Geeta, Chaitra, Devida, Suhasini, Rohan, Ajnasi. A picture tells 1,000 words. Picture tells 1,000 words. There is a reason we use like this so that everybody will understand. Very good. Thank you, each one of you. Now, let me go to the next. Can you say a second flip-flop, this color what I used? Everybody is typing answer. Before I ask, it is a 0, 0, 1. Everybody is typing. See here. Is it 0, 0, 1? Observe carefully. This side, where all it is connected, based on that you have to write 0 and 1. Is it 0, 0, 1? Observe. Now they are changed. In a hurry in the exam also, you people do like this only. Now everybody is typing. It is a 1, 0, 1. Only middle it is not connected, whereas first and last it is connected. Therefore, you have to write 1, 0, 1. So, type this 1, 0, 1. So, considering the first input bit we have written. Similarly, what you have to do, first copy down this, otherwise I will give the time, leave it. Let us discuss first. Go to the second. Now, can you type 3 bits considering the red color or a first bit, a second bit at this side? any 3-bit combination where all it is connected. Based on that, you have to write 010 Jahnavi, Praveen, Prajakta, Geethas, Jaysurya, Adnya, Preeti, Siddharth, Sumi, Devidas, Suhasini, Karthik, Chandrakala, Priya, Vijayalakshmi, all are typing 010. Yeah. Only one is connected, Rohit Savaligi. Only 010 is, I think it's only one connection, hence it is correct. So let me go to the next. Hey, wait. Second one. The second one, Shilpa has typed 110. Everybody is typing now 110. Hope all the students have understood why it is 110. See here. It is connected to 2. So this is a connection is to the two adders, and the answer is 0. Okay, only third bit, remaining 2 are 11. Hence the answer is the 110 is correct. And yeah, most of them they have typed the same answer. The second is a 010110, considering the second bit. Now you can copy down the first bit considering second bit. I'll give the 1 minute. Copy down this. A diagram, those who are not copied completely, they can copy down now also. They have to note down 111 101 these two they have to copy down. These two are very important now. This and this they have to copy down properly. So I'll wait for another 5-10 seconds, then we'll go to the next slide. Thank you each one of you for giving your answers. I'm so happy to see answers, because in the offline class it is difficult to see your answers. Sometimes we prefer online class because we can see everybody's answer and how many students are following. We will come to know within a second. But in offline class, sometimes by seeing your face, you have to understand how many of you have followed. Let me go to the next. G matrix I have to write. Now we have 2 rows. We have written and appended some zeros. Now how to get a G matrix? Can you type your answer in the chat box? What is the next row? What I have to type? How to type? How to write? How to get the next rows? It may be wrong also, but I will appreciate the way how you think. I not it covered, but if you think and if you tell, at least you will come to know how is your thinking process, because that is very important in the interview. They won't ask what you have studied. Let me know somebody how they think. How to get a G matrix now. In general, how we used to write a G matrix, all of you know. Okay, Geeta has typed the answer 0 1 0 1 1. She has, I appreciate Geeta, thank you. What she has done, if I am understood correctly, 1 0 1 1 1 0 something she has done like this. Last 1 0, yeah, she has done like this. Okay, it may not be correct, Geeta, but thank you for your answer. Nivedita 1 0 1 1 0 1, I think the same answer she has typed. Thank you, Nivedita. Any other answer? These two may not be correct, but I appreciate for giving the answer. You can write a sentence or a word, 2-3 words, or a 1 sentence. You can type. Even though it's wrong, no problem. How you think matters a lot. Only thinkers can survive. Remember, only thinkers can do something. Only the education should make you to think. We have to create a thinkers. Only those people can do something. And Gaurav Haveri has typed something. Thank you, Gaurav. 1 1 1 101. Okay, she has taken a first row, I think. Vidya Kalkeri, sorry, Vidya has typed something. Okay, second row. I want third and fourth row. Third and fourth, how to get? Because earlier what we used to do? We used to rotate. Okay, now what to do? I want a third row, fourth row. Remember, earlier in all cases, I had only one bit input. Now I am having Shivani Adhaldi. Okay, third. Add first and second. Okay, Chaitra is thinking. Happy to see their answers, but answers are not correct. Then anybody? Prajakta might have typed something earlier. She is telling yes, sir. Okay. Anybody else? Okay, there may be some delay when you type and when I see. Let me show you the answer. Simply I had to rotate only, but earlier I used to rotate first row only, I used to get remaining rows. Now what I have to do, third row Shivani has typed something 000 111 101. Okay, thank you Shivani. Thank you. The way how you think is very good. Fourth row, only Shivani is thinking. Remember, thinkers will survive later. She typed a third row. Anybody want to type a fourth row? 0000010. Yeah, Nivedita is thinking is correct, but answer is wrong. Nivedita thinking is correct. Even Vidya also thought the same way, but thinking is correct. Yeah, Shivani has typed the answer perfectly. 000010. Yeah, it's perfect. Shivani has done it. Very good, Shivani. So happy to see your answer, Shivani. Preeti has typed. Sumit has typed. Thank you all of you. Priya Patil, Geeta, Nivedita has typed. This is a next. I had to shift both the rows. Reason is input are 2. Only one input I used to shift only one row. Now both the rows I had to shift. So I'll get a third and fourth row. Then we can type a next again. I'll get a 2 more remaining rows. Once if a G is ready, then I can do a C equal to D into G. Take a few seconds and copy down the G matrix. Hope all of you are copying the G matrix. So another 10 seconds I'll wait, then I'll go to the next slide. Let us go to the next slide. Now, I had to do C equal to D into G. D is given. Remember how to take a D. I use your common sense. I change the colors. First bit of this D1, second bit of first bit of D2 will become second bit as a data. See the colors and understand. And G, all of us know. Simply multiply and write the output in the chat box. C is equal to D into G. Simply multiply and write the answer in the chat box, and we'll verify with others, and I will show my answer in the next slide. Now it becomes D equal to 1 1 0 1 1 0. I'm sure some of the students will do within 2 minutes. Maybe right or wrong, whatever you're getting answer, just share it in the chat box so that others will be benefited. Preeti has done. Thank you, Preeti. We'll check with the others. Preeti got 101011001101. We'll see others also. Their answer may be different or may be same. Majority what they get answer. Okay, Nivedita, Lohit, Gaura, Haveri. I think majority are getting same answer. Jannavi, Rohit, Shivani Kulkarni. Most of them they are getting the same answer 101 001 001 101. And even Charan, Geeta Gali, Simran Vernikar, Sumit Desai got the same answer. Karthik, Praveen Patil, Vijay Lakshmi, Abhishek Kulkarni, Shripad is typing an answer, and most of the answers are same. Siddharth, Devidas, Nayak, Rohan, Shilpa, Pragati, Abhirup Joshi, Suhasini, Mishri Koti, Vinay Giryam never got a different answer. Vinay, you please check it, or Suhasini. Answers are same or not. Vinay and Suhasini answers are a little bit different. Jaysurya has typed Chaitra, Shahasan, Chandra, Kala, Adnya Nayak, Bharat Kulkarni. Some students' answers are different. For example, Adnya and Bharat answers are different. One bit change is there. Prajakta has typed Spurti. Answer is same as Prajakta. Nutan Vadgeri. Answer is same as Spurti. Some students' answers are little different. One bit change is there. They can check it again and they can type their answers. 101 001 001 101. Most of the students got the same answer. I too got the same answer. C using a G matrix. Varsha Angadi, Devraj Yamanur has got the same answer 101 001 101. Let me go to the next. I think this C equal to even Varsha, Devraj, Nutan has got same answer. Now, all of you, you can just see here. Later, I'll ask you to copy down. D is given 101, D2 is given 110. In polynomial form, I can write 1 plus x square. This I can write as 1 plus x. Observe the first adder. Observe the first adder and observe these connections from before the flip-flop, after the flip-flop. For this first adder, before the flip-flop also connection is there, after this also connection is there, therefore it is 1 plus x. Observe here, just a minute or two. Both the connections are there, 1 plus x. I am taking only the input 1. Similarly, for the first adder, considering the input, first input, this side, it is a, okay, I give me a second. This is for the first adder, to consider this adder. from this flip-flop before or after, and for this flip-flop before and after, how many connections are there to this adder I have to see. Please try to understand. Now for this adder, only top adder, there are three are there. First we will consider this. This connection is there, this connection is there, therefore I am writing 1 plus x. And considering the second one, x, this connection is not there to the first adder. Only second position is connected to this adder. Therefore 1 is not there, only x is connected. Let us take a second adder to understand. Now observe carefully. Which adder? I am talking about this adder. When I say this adder, observe this. 1 and this x both are connected or not, check it. 1 is connected, x not connected to this. So therefore only 1 I am writing, hence this is why I am writing 1. Observe carefully. And for this adder only, before and after check, 1 plus x, both are connected means 1 plus x, only first connected means 1, second connected means x. Observe this, both are connected, hence I am saying 1 plus x. Similarly for the third adder you can do it. If both are connected, from the first flip-flop 1 plus x, for the second flip-flop both are connected 1 plus x, if no connection then 0. Third adder you try it. Take a minute and copy down this and understand. I'll repeat. If you want, just go through. So 1 plus x, how I got? Because both before flip-flop, after flip-flop, both are connected, 1 plus x. And if I have more than one flip-flop, I will get x square also. Again one more flip-flop, x cube also. Now I have only one flip-flop, therefore 1 and x I will get. And from the second flip-flop, only one connection for the first adder. Coming to the second adder, I have connection only 1. And x is missing, it is not connected. Coming to the second flip-flop, I have both connection, hence 1 plus x. So similarly, third one you have to understand. Okay, I'll give another few seconds. Just copy down this matrix and try to understand. For the third adder, can you say why this is 0? Can you type the answer why this is 0? If you type the answer, that indicates you understood why this is 0. Anyone of you can type one word or one line in the chat box. No connection. Thank you. From where to where? No connection. Yeah, understood. Consider this as a first flip-flop, this as a second flip-flop. Because no connection. Yeah, it's correct. Neither, yeah, no connection from second flip-flop. Neither before the flip-flop, after the flip-flop, there is no connection to the bottom adder. Hence, there is no 1, there is no x, hence only 0 is there. I think Chaitra has written first and second flip-flop. First flip-flop, we have connection to the bottom adder, but from the second flip-flop, neither from before nor from after connection to the bottom adder, hence it is 0. Thank you, Chaitra. So let me go to the next. Write down d of x equal d1, d2 equal to and c equal to 1 plus x square into 1 plus x, multiplication of this matrix. I want you people to write the answer in terms of zeros and ones. Take 2 minutes. Then we'll conclude the class. Time is less. You do one thing, you can copy down the answer. Otherwise, we'll continue in the next class. Hardly 2-3 minutes are remaining. I'll conclude today's class.